So today I'm going to talk about the Bose, I believe that's how you say it, Bose SoundLink Micro Bluetooth speaker. It is bright orange. They come in a few other colors. This is one of the best portable speakers I have ever owned. My friend gave it to me a few months ago, and I can hook it on my belt or just carry it. It links up to my device via Bluetooth. By device, I mean my phone. I have a Samsung phone, and so this definitely works out for it. But any device has a different Bluetooth setup system. So if they use Bluetooth, you got to figure out a way to hook it up via that with your device. However, on this one's end, it's pretty simple. See this button right here? That's the Bluetooth button. Just turn it on. You can press this area. Right now it's not hooked up to any specific thing, so there is no point in me pressing play or anything like that. And what's nice also is I can take this thing and hook it onto my belt and carry it around with me, say if I'm hiking. It's a hands-free way of listening to your music, or it's just really easy. And the strap here is tear resistant. It's very smooth on the outside. It feels a little bit rubbery. It's silicone mostly, and it's just really nice outdoors because the sound is so crisp and clear. And you want to add a soundtrack to your day or to your walk, you can easily add this. It gets very loud, so it has a very strong range with that, and I would be careful to not bother the neighbors if you're jamming out in your backyard. But usually when I get these little speakers, I have to be careful because they don't really give that great crisp sound that I'm getting from this one, so I definitely like how I went all out with this one. It is waterproof inside and out, no joke. I was showering the other day and I love to listen to, music when I'm showering or bathing, and I literally dropped it in the bathtub. And water poured onto it, but it's still here and it's still fine. So that's proof for you. You can carry it around really easily. It's not so light as it's gonna fly away in the wind, but you can tell that there's actually stuff in here. It feels like a weight, but at the same time it's not super heavy, so it's nice. And it's a small little design. You have the speaker grooves here, and then the buttons are really simple. The on and the Bluetooth button, as you saw, and then there's this little thing, and you can change how your songs, how you're changing your songs, and then change the volume and next and backwards, and yeah, so there's different ways. Now in the beginning for me that was kind of tricky. I caught on to it after a while, but it's tricky when you only have a certain amount of buttons and you have to figure out how many times you have to press it or how long you have to hold it down to make it work. But when you learn that, it's pretty easy. And it's very nice quality, so you can't really scratch it or dent it. It's very durable, so great for camping. And the connection is wireless. Bluetooth settings vary, from different devices, like I said, but it's really nice that I don't have to worry about having a cord get in the way of everything. I can just take this, and the wireless range is actually 30 feet, which is pretty far for a device like this. You can also use your tablet or your iPhone. Like I said, I have an Android, and you can also use your computer and just play music from there. It does have a rechargeable battery, so it's a micro USB charger here, and you can plug it into the wall with a wall plug or into your computer, and it works really well just to charge the battery up, and it does charge fairly quickly. It has up to 6 hours of playtime, which is a lot, A lot of the time it runs, like these things run out of energy very quickly, especially when you're using things like audio or video or voice activation or anything like that. Battery can be a problem, but this is great. It lasts a really long time. So if you're going on a long walk or a long hike or just hanging out with friends and you don't want to run back and have to charge it, this is great. The other thing is that it can still be played while you are charging it. Instead of having to wait for it to fully be done charging to use it, you can actually just turn it on and play it while it's charging, and it usually doesn't alter the charging process too much. It has this built-in speakerphone, and you can take your calls or put it on loudspeaker or even video chat with this, so you don't have to worry about pressing all the little buttons on your phone to do that. If you it's like a hands-free method. It's just a very simple, straightforward device. There isn't too many complications to it. And when you get the hang of it, it's perfect to have around. Even in the car, it's just a great sound quality. So sometimes it's even better than your radio if you need to put something on loudspeaker or you want to turn the volume up. And it works in so many different environments. It has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And the charger, it does include that cable. So just keep that in mind that in your package when you get this, you will get the micro USB cable. And you can talk to Siri or Google with the speaker, the microphone. It is also available in black and midnight blue, and they have different color straps that go with that. So just keep that in mind. It just kind of pops back on. It's like an elastic a little bit. And you have the holes here for it to air out in case it heats up too much. But that hasn't been a problem for me at all. You can drop it in a pool, but don't go swimming with it. I can't guarantee there won't be any damage with that. I can fit it in my purse. I don't usually do that though. It's great to take on trips and travel with. If you're on a road trip, it's great. It's very durable. Bose, Bose, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, is based in Massachusetts. It's an American company founded in 1964. And so they design and sell audio equipment, basically. They create audio equipment. It is a great gift idea. So if you have someone who likes music and wants this, and you think would like this, get it for them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you got something out of this and that you check out this product.